Do you want to paint loose landscapes? Hello, I'm Selena and welcome to this class. I am a mixed media artist with 30 plus years experience, and I'm passionate about living a creative life and sharing my knowledge with those that are on their creative journey. In this class you will learn how to create a semi-abstract landscape painting. It's designed as a paint-along class. For some painting experience is recommended but not essential. I will be using a limited palette, so you only need a few colours to complete this class. I will be using acrylic paint, but it is also transferable into other paint mediums, including watercolour, gouache and oil paint. I will be painting on paper, but this technique can also be used on canvas or board, and easy to follow along to get a good representation of the landscape. This class is designed with a simple composition style, allowing you to keep your marks loose and free. By the end of this class, you'll have a finished painting and the knowledge and skills to create many more along the same style. It will be lots of fun. Let's get painting.